Oh, jeez. You scared me.
Ah! That scared me. Guess what? Nova's here.
Who's here?
Nova.
Nova's here?
Ah! That's scary. That scared me. Ah! 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 What do you do to have a tail?
Hmm?
What do you do to have a tail?
It doesn't?
No.
How come?
Because he's super tiny and he doesn't have a tail.
Oh,
Yeah, but only my doggies have a tail.
they do.
Yeah, they're big.
Branskin's here! Yay!
Yay!
I know you were so excited.
And the over
I got something in the car to play with, a new thing.
What is it?
It's going to surprise.
Fry.
Wow.
Will you wait? Just wait here and I'll get it for you, okay?
Okay. I'll hide in here.
Well, don't hide. You can just stand there, okay? I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Is that present?
Well, I'm going to keep it, but...
No, this is here.
Hello.
Grandpa has a prize from me. That's me, okay? And for me too.
Well, you both can play with it, okay?
But I'm going to open it. That's how is it a present?
Well, it's kind of a special thing I'm going to keep in my car, but when I come over, we can always play with it, okay?
Okay.
Because it's just for kids.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Why don't you come in the backyard and play with us?
Okay, I'm going to go in the car first, okay? I'll be right back, okay?
Hey, but can I get that
All right, hold on.
present for me?
Okay, turn around so you can't see. Okay, walk inside the house.
I see it.
Walk inside the house. You're not going to play with it. Go ahead, turn around.
See.
Turn around.
Turn around, Nova.
No, you're cheating. Turn around. Turn around.
Turn around, Nova. Nova. That's how much for me, Nova.
That's exciting.
Turn around. Turn around. You're not supposed to look. You're looking. Okay, go over to the other side of the kitchen table. Okay, sit over there. Bring it, Jackson, you too. Okay, now you can take turns playing them, alright?
Hey.
Okay? I got Mr. Potato Head and Mrs. Potato Head.
Wow! Now you have
I got
two
two.
potato heads.
A mommy one and a daddy one.
Hmm?
Yeah, a boy
Yep.
and a girl.
Yep.
A boy and girl, yay! I like the girl one. No, I'm the girl.
Well, he's going to try the girl one first. Okay, then it'll be your turn. You can play with it this one. Okay? Okay?
I like this. Let us see what it's on.
That was smart.
You can do that one first.
Okay, well you can play with the girl one after Jackson tries it out.
Put the hair on.
You think you can figure it out, Jackson?
Yep.
You know what? I didn't bring any directions.
I know how to do it by myself.
Okay, I think the hair on the Mrs. Potato Head just sits on it. It doesn't like stick on.
Huh?
Just like that, yeah. Okay?
Now I need the feet. I need the feet first.
Later on.
I'm almost done.
That's really cool.
And now I need an arm.
Now, it might be a little tight until you use it a few times, okay, to put the pieces in.
Yeah, I'll put them right there.
Okay, try to keep the pieces separate because I'm not sure which ones go to which.
They're pretty they're all similar.
Jackson,
They're all the
be
same.
careful.
Okay.
All the pieces are the same except
Well, I think
for
the different color ears and noses and stuff.
Yeah.
Don't break it, just careful, Jackson, because it's tight. I'll push it in all the way in a minute, okay? But don't break it, whatever you do.
Oh, Tater, are you looking for attention? Hi.
tight?
Yeah.
I don't. I'm doing the eye.
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing it. Now I need the mouth.
Let me see.
All right, David.
No. Put it back.
Did you want
Here
that?
you go.
Good job.
Here's the boy stuff.
Good job, Jack. Very good.
Here's the boy stuff.
Personal.
Here's
Very
the boy
good.
stuff.
And you did
Her
yours
eyes
good
are upside
too.
down. It looks like he's very ready for it.
You did
I
yours
did
good
mine
too.
apart and do it again.
Okay.
I'm going to do it again.
Come here. Come here. Hurry up, Jackson. Come here. I have something in the car you might want. I brought it just for you. Guess what it is?
What?
Do you want me to make you some popcorn? Yeah, I brought some for both of you. Is that okay? You get little bowls and you fill them up, and I'll make it right now if you want. It's in the car. Is that okay? Is that okay?
We can put it all by ourselves.
Okay, I'll cook
No,
them.
sir, no.
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna get hold of the bone all by itself.
No, I have some for you and me, and I have some for her too, okay?
No, sir.
It's good. It's from my house. It's the popcorn from my house.
Okay.
Okay? I'm going to go out and get it, okay? And,
We can go there too.
no, I'll be in and out. It'll only take me a minute to get it.
But can we go?
No, just stay here, because I don't want you to get hit by a car. All right, I'll be right back.
I like the popcorn seat from outside.
Okay, let me see yours. You like yours too? Hmm? You don't like it? How come? It's pretty good. I put salt on it.
That mom and my papa's house, right? Yeah. Can you sit next to me? Huh? And me? Yeah. Come here. Can you sit a little bit?
Hmm?
Can you sit next to me over here? Okay. What? Right now, I'm going to my own beach. I'll give you theirs. Okay. Oh, look, can I come in your car? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The car's right here. Okay. Let's drive. The beach! Yay, we're at the beach. Now let's take our shoes off. Oh, let me fix my arms. I don't want to get a mess. Ow! My bodies are coming off. Mine not. My hair's. Oh, my hair. My hair.
Whoa. Wow. Not too high. Man, you're a real jumper, Jackson. Very good.
Look, your turn.
I can't.
Not too high,
Wow, she's pretty high too. Whoa.
What's this? I can do a shot. Watch, I'm gonna do a high flip.
Okay. Whoa. Good job.
That's me.
All right.
Like a roller coaster thing.
Whoa.
Look at me. Look, I look like a roller coaster thing. Watch this. I can go a high flip. I do a high flip. Guess what? I can just tumble a lot.
Gotta go back and forth, Jackson.
I'm stopping.
All right. Okay, you can stop if you want.
Mama's coming down. Look, she's right here. Hey, whoa, are you? Where did you come in?
Got it up, guy. You look good on that. Looks like you're a real farmer.
Oh, Jackson, I need to show you something. You just need to get some.
You are. You look just like a farmer. Wow.
I go over there.
Mm-hmm.
Pick. Oh,
Thank you.
I mean, a lot of houses. Hey, I was drawing those.